Have you ever heard about Darjeeling? Of course, the answer will be yes. But have you ever heard about Rangbang? I'm damn sure the answer will be no. So today, let me take you on a virtual travel experience to the unseen Rangbang. Good morning everybody, this is Karan Gauli and welcome back to my channel. So today is 21st September and I'm traveling to a very unknown place of Darjeeling that's known as Rangbang. So सुबह के 7 बज रहे थे और जल्दी जल्दी रेडी होके हम निकल पड़े रंगबांग के लिए. And you guys know that a day is incomplete without a morning tea. So रास्ते में कहीं रुक के चाय तो बनती है.
So this is a beautiful restaurant in Dudia. If you ever happen to travel through this place, then please do visit here.
तो यहाँ थोड़ा चिल करके और चाय पी के हम निकल पड़े रंगबांग के लिए. अगर आपके पास टाइम है तो आप मेरी क्लिक रास्ते में एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो. बट सिंस आई हैव ऑलरेडी बीन देयर, सो वी आर गोइंग स्ट्रेट टू सिमाना. This place gives a majestic view of Mount Kanchenjunga when weather is clear. और कभी इतना peaceful और सुंदर border कहीं देखा है? And
just check out the view. It's so beautiful, so pure. I'm in just love with it.
अगर आप कभी यहाँ पे आते हो तो आप यहाँ का मोमोज बिल्कुल मिस नहीं कर सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर चिल करके और मोमोज खा के वी मूव फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स रंगबांग. और अगर आप यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टाइम आए हो तो गोपालधारा टी स्टेट रास्ते में एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो. बट सिंस आई हैव ऑलरेडी बीन देयर, सो वी आर गोइंग स्ट्रेट टू सुनाखारी होम स्टे इन रंगबांग.
So we have finally arrived to Rangbang. अभी यहाँ से थोड़ा ऊपर में एक होम स्टे है, बहुत ही बढ़िया होम स्टे है. तो थोड़ी देर चल के जाना पड़ेगा. तो चलिए ऊपर चलते हैं अभी. Here is the property. बहुत ही पीसफुल और बहुत ही सुंदर जगह है. अभी हम लोगों का लंच का प्लेट लग रहा है, तब तक थोड़ा चिल करते हैं. So let's go. So a trip is incomplete without being fucked up. I had the worst experience of my life in that resort. Actually they says that customer are good to them. Then how can they use slangs to their customer? Actually what happened was I was making vlog in the property and they didn't mention that photography is prohibited in the area. So I didn't thought of asking permission before shooting a vlog in the property. I accepted my fault that I should ask the permission before shooting a vlog in the property. But it doesn't mean that owner will come and start shouting and start using slangs to me. I could have replied him back, but I felt like if a dog is barking at me, it doesn't mean that I'll bark back at him. And moreover, he was already dead in his arrogance, so rest in peace to him. Last, I just wanted to say you all that never visit in such kind of property because it will simply spoil your mood. I could have replied him back, but I felt like if a dog is barking at me, it doesn't mean that I'll bark back at him. And moreover, he was already dead in his arrogance, so rest in peace to him. Last, I just wanted to say you all that never visit in such kind of property because it will simply spoil your mood. and nothing else. So guys, thank you for watching. Dil se thank you, and keep supporting, keep loving. Love you all.
N'importe le destin, viens juste pas loin. Je suis dans mon mood, j'ai besoin